Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody left me a message off one of my YouTube videos that prints t-shirts, and they said that when somebody sends them a picture, it's square, and when you print it on a t-shirt, it looks not very good. Well, I've just done two that would be a little bit different. I've got him actually going to send me a picture, but I just started thinking, I took a picture from my granddaughter many years ago off the internet or off my file. And this is a vignette effect, but vignettes don't really work all the time. And I'm going to show you why. And then you could do something like this very easily and make it look different, or just oval. And, instead of being square, you could have it round or square. So all you have to do to make this picture round would be to take an ellipse. And if we work in the center of the page and put both these in the center of the page, that ellipse should be around that young girl's face. And it is, but you can move it because the picture is not perfectly centered, and we can make the picture bigger. And then select it all and go intersect, and then that picture is inside there. That's one way. Another way would be to take, and I just did a video about this the other day, how to make kind of like a cloud effect. And I'm not doing a real good job. I'm doing it pretty fast. I need to get them kind of, they all should be touching. So we'll just draw a few more in here. You want them to all be touching, so when we weld them, they will stick together. I don't like that big one, but we'll let it work right now. And then you take this and weld it, and you get that, and then you could take the virtual segment delete key and delete the inside. I don't know, that might not look half bad. Make it a little bit bigger. Rotate it maybe to get more of the sides of the cloud in the picture. And you could even stretch it. I mean, it's not anything perfect. Just make sure it's all in the picture, and then just grab it and go intersect. And there is another way to do it. When you unclick it, it'll look a little better. But the other way is a vignette, but a vignette doesn't always work. I don't know about printing. I've never printed anything, but if we go take that picture and go to effects and custom and go vignette, you could have it go black or white or something like that. Let's go white because the bubble bath's white, and you could make it an off-white. If we took the graphic, well, that doesn't make the vignette work because I'm doing kind of the same thing. There we go. We got a little bit of a blue, and then we're going to say, let's put this on a blue t-shirt. But the problem with a vignette is that it's still actually there. The color is actually there because it's not white. And if we look at that, you're going to get that. Now, to get rid of that would just be to take an oval. And if I would have used white, you would have never seen that because of the fact that my page is white. But now if we intersect these two, now I've got a true circle vignette that's not going to print. And it looks pretty good. And then if you were going to put it on a blue t-shirt, this is what it would look like. So a little bit different. And you can change, you don't have to use a cloud, just something other. I think they're wanting is something other than a square. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.